Want to know how you can start conducting a meeting on Zoom but don't know how to? Well, you are in the right place, because in this video I'm going to teach you how you can conduct a meeting on Zoom easily. So first what you have to do is open your Zoom app, and then you will see an interface like this. After that, what you have to do is click on the orange icon that says meet. Simply click on it, and here you will see your personal meeting ID, and you will get an option if you want to keep your video on at first or not. Simply choose accordingly and click on start meeting. Then wait for it, and there you go, your meeting is now ready to use, and you can simply share the link of this meeting or share the meeting ID, and then others will also be able to join your meeting. So if you found this video helpful, do make sure to like, share and subscribe, and share this with your friends who also want to create a Zoom meeting. And if you have any more further queries, do make sure to comment them down below.